Exploring spiritual reality. Discover meditation, an ancient, powerful tool to connect with deeper realms beyond the senses. Accessing deeper truth through meditation. Meditation is intentional stillness, quieting the world's noise to hear your spirit and the divine. Still your mind, resist temporary distractions, and connect with the eternal clarity beyond. Meditation fills your mind with sacred truth and intention, deepening spiritual peace and insight. Spiritual growth visualized, a path upward and radiant light growing in the heart. Meditation unlocks spiritual wisdom. It opens your spiritual life to guidance beyond your five senses and empowers inner growth. Take 5 minutes today to be still. Like, share your thoughts on stillness, and subscribe for more insights.